Right, that thing over there is called a concrete mixer.
Concrete mixer.
No, it's called a concrete mixer.
Concrete mixer. Is it that? Is it
No, it's called
a concrete mixer?
no, it's called a concrete mixer.
A concrete mixer.
That thing over there
Mm.
is called
Mm.
a concrete mixer.
A concrete mixer. Concrete mixer. Is it
What's it called?
a concrete mixer?
It's called
Mm.
a concrete mixer.
A concrete mixer.
Liam, that thing over there,
Mm.
what's it called?
Calculator.
No, a concrete mixer.
Concrete mixer.
I give up, mate.
I know you give up.
I give up.
No, you give up.